Go across to my colleague Aishwarya as well to figure out what's happening to the World Cup fever when it comes to the hotel bookings as well as the entire airfare, because as we were discussing, Aishwarya, either things are sold out or they're completely unaffordable.
That's correct. The advance bookings in terms of hotels, that means there's so much cheer that travelers are now making their bookings almost 30 days in advance. That number on an average was at 13% on MMT, but that has increased to 22%. 30 days in advance the bookings are being done. The average length of stay, that has also increased from 1.5 day to 2.5 days on an average. The ARR, those have also increased to 115%. 50% higher than the week before the match. So on the India match days, the prices are expected to surge even more, especially in the affordable segment. That is 2,000 to 4,000 rupees worth of room rates. That will go as high as 12,000 closer to the India matches, which is the most anticipated India matches: India Pakistan, India England, as well as India New Zealand. And some platforms are also saying that they will see almost 12 to 13x rate increase in overall segments. Now, the categories which are seeing a bump up is the hostels as well as homestay segment. They are the most popular on the Make My Trip platform, is what they're suggesting. Hostels at 35% and homestays at 22%, followed by all the other categories in the segment. Now, the bookings have seen a surge most during the most anticipated India matches, which is the first match which is happening in Ahmedabad at 200%. The India-Pakistan match is the most anticipated one. In Dharamshala, 605% bump up for the India-New Zealand match as compared to the average demand that you would see across the board during the rest of the year. In Lucknow, there's a 50% bump up for the India-England match, is what MMT is saying. Now, for this, MMT has also bumped up their inventory to almost 14 to 31%. In Ahmedabad, they've increased it to 31%, Dharamshala at 15%, and Lucknow at 14% overall. Now, hostels and homestays have been the preferred category, as I mentioned earlier, and Zostel is one of the players which provides dorm rooms, especially to millennials as well as Gen Zs. Now, between both of these categories, which are priced at 600 to 700 rupees, they also have increased 12x from their average room rates, almost 150 to 200% of a jump. They've seen even in their dorm rooms. They're now running at a cost of almost 1,000 to 2,000, and what they're suggesting is that closer to the match dates, the prices might go even higher, even at Zostel.
Wow, that's interesting. The prices have already surged, but there could be further uptick that might come in. Thank you so much, Aishwarya, for putting that into perspective.